we have this new cast in place pigmented red concrete boiler house addition to the turbine hall. And the red pigmentation picks up the red tone from the brick. The way that the concrete was handled, there's a roughness to the texture so that it's not an out-of-form concrete building. Also really has a great relationship with the brick, and it doesn't feel sort of like this new appendage to the old building. It feels more established. But we also looked at the historic imagery, and we looked at the turbine hall and used that as a reference for how our windows were going to wrap around the building and to create that unified facade across all sides of the building. It's really about sort of creating this unified whole and not feeling like an extra add-on.